Hi guys, my name is Iksyal Febian. I'm from class management C5, and I tell you about my adventure. Yeah, I got a new experience. That's my I got after I started being an online motorcycle taxi driver. This job makes me better. At first, I was shy towards new people, and now I have become aware. Also, those who initially did not know the direction of the city of Bandung become aware. It means quite a lot to me because apart from gaining experience, it also benefits me and others. Uh, Only that. See you and thank you. Thank you and see you.